Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you solve or how can you fix the issue called Instagram messages not working or Instagram messages are not sending or you cannot receive messages also on your Instagram. So this problem is all about the network and the glitch inside your application due to high storage or due to high cache on your application. So what we have to do, we just have to refresh our Instagram application from here on our mobile phone. Like if you have an Android phone, so you just have to go on your application information and then go to the storage, and from there you can clear your cache. But if you are using an iPhone, how can you do that setting? So just follow this step and watch the video till the end. Firstly, we just have to click on the setting option here on my mobile phone like this. Let me just do it. This is my setting, you can see. I will go on the general setting here on the first and click on the iPhone storage option. There will all applications, you can see there are all the application here, and you can see this is Instagram that has 590 MB data. So I will click on the offload application to refresh this application from here, and then we can update it from our app store. After that the application is reset and you can use it better now. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.